Hello everyone, this is a quick explanation on how to do a very basic carousel ad on Facebook for your e-store. So first log into your Facebook account for your business, and under your Facebook business page over here, I'll just make sure you are on this account or on this page. Go to the Business Manager account. If you don't have a Business Manager account, you can just go to Facebook or business.facebook.com and log in there. Well, I am logged in already, so this is why they automatically logged in. So in any case, you can go to your Business Manager account through your Facebook page or directly through the business.facebook.com. Okay, so now you're here. It's important that you visit your reports on this page and all that. But if you would like to go to the ads account, you can go there by clicking on this button, or by just, I'm going to show you, or by just selecting the Ads Manager account over here. Okay, so of course we have the Facebook pixel set up, but in any case, for you to create a new campaign, you just select Ads Manager, Campaign, create a campaign, and when you create a campaign here, where you create also your audience. So let's say that this is a new year 2020, sorry, not 2019, this is 2020, and the campaign objective is, most likely our campaign objective will be traffic or conversions. Now this is a very basic for beginners advertisement, so start with traffic. But once you take the digital marketing course and you get to know more about conversions and what they are and how to create conversions or define conversions first, or catalog sale over here, then you can do so. So for now, just select the traffic. It's the most basic, but definitely the ideal one is the conversions. All right, for the campaign budget optimization, make sure it's on. And your daily budget or lifetime budget is about, set it up about, I think the minimum is about $30, so set it about $30 for now. And then the ad set name could be something like New Year Sale 2020, and over here the new ad. The ad is the Carousel ad, so you can just put it as a New Year, not in New York, but the New Year Carousel, or just name it Carousel and save to draft. Now you have a New Year 2020 campaign details. It's auction. This means that you will enter an auction with other competitors for your bids. Of course, you need to take the digital marketing course to better understand what these settings are. And campaign budget optimization is on. You have a lifetime budget of this much, and now you can edit the carousel ad, or create it, in fact. So over here, make sure that you are on your business page, and you select the carousel or carousel and add more cards over here. You can add as many cards as you want. I'm not sure about the card number limit, but for me 5 should be fine. So I'm going to remove the 6th one and I'm going to stick to 5. So over here we're going to manually choose images. And the images I'm gonna choose from my site, it just happened that the campaign that I'm running reflects these featured products on my grid on my homepage. So what you need to do is open up all these pages that you're gonna take or you're basing your campaign on. Definitely you're borrowing these pictures to create your campaign. So create a new page, not create a new page, I'm sorry, open it up in a new tab and save the images. Alright, save the images that you would like to use for your campaign in a folder. For example, I have it somewhere over here. I think somewhere over here I have it. So I have all the images that I'm going to use for my campaign. Alright, so what to do? First, I would like you to set up the call to action. Call to action button shouldn't be learn more, should be something like shop now, right, or buy now. So I'm going to use shop now for that. And for your see more URL should be the URL of your home page or your landing page. So basically, most likely it's the home page. All right. So see more about display link. You could use Facebook tracking links over here, the build URL parameter. Over here you can just key in the campaign source, definitely just reflecting these parameters or dynamic parameters we call them. Campaign medium, you can just put it as Facebook. Campaign name, you can just have it like a campaign name over here, add set name, and so forth. Now I would like also to introduce you to something that we mostly use, which is the campaign URL builder powered by Google Analytics or provided by Google Analytics. So basically just type into Google search Google URL builder, and then I use this in most campaigns on Facebook, so I'm used to this. So actually on Google, if I want to say. So basically over here you need to fill in the blanks here, the URL that you're going to use for the product. Here is the campaign source is Facebook. You could also use a shortcut as FB. And this here, the campaign medium is Facebook ads. This is a Christmas sale. This is a new year. That was for set up for something else. So New Year 2020 sale. And then this is the campaign term. This is how you're gonna pay. So pay per click. This is also, you will know more about this if you take a digital marketing course. So PPC, I'm gonna put it as a shortcut. And this is the campaign content. I'm gonna talk about this in a little bit. All right, so now we are ready to go. So make sure that you have your Facebook pixel turned on, and it is chosen to be the right pixel that you just set up with me in class. And that's it. We are ready now to create our carousel. Also make sure that you have automatically show the best performing cards. Self-explanatory. You can read more about it if you hover over here. And this is add a card at the end with the page profile picture. I'm going to show you how this looks like in a bit. Okay, so now let's start. For the first card, I'm going to start with I would like to start with something that I expect to be very attractive to customers or inciting to customers. I'm going to start with maybe the animal suit over here. Continue. Headline is animal suit, and then description is probably, I'm going to say, warm soft woven. You probably don't have to have it. Don't capitalize soft woven. Get some help. Or sorry, it's this one. Maybe flannel fabric. All right, and then animal suit. This is the description, and now the URL. Over here, the URL. So now we need to go to this page, the landing page for this card. Copy that, go over here, paste that, and over here, animal suits. And it will generate the UTM code, which is used for tracking automatically. And wait. So we're waiting, and now we have this animal suit, warm, soft woven, flannel, whatever, blah blah blah, and shop now. Okay, the next one, same thing. Do it again very quickly. This is the next one. I'll probably go for the sleeping bag, very cute and inciting, I believe, for customers. So the headline will be sleeping bags, and the description is snooze away in a comfy, snooze away easily, maybe, because it's sometimes a challenge to put kids to sleep. Snooze away easily in a comfy bag. All right, so over here I need the image for that. So I'm done with this. Let me close that. And now over here, this is the landing page for this. Use the URL builder. Do not forget to change the campaign content to sleeping bags. And now you easily copy the URL and use it over here. Good. And wait for it. Please wait for it. Sometimes it is definitely very difficult, super difficult to see the results if you don't wait for it. So now it looks like this, and keep going. Now for now, I'm just gonna finish up this with you guys very quickly. Little baby, just look. I'm gonna do this now. And this is the baby boys, gentleman, bow tie. So let's okay, over here it is very obvious that I haven't fixed the permalink. You see? This permalink is very long, and it is the same as the one from AliExpress. So if you have the same problem, please make sure that you fix your permalink. That's why I was talking about the importance of fixing your permalink. So update that, wait for it, and preview changes, and now you can use it. So now make sure that you have a very professional, good permalink over here. Okay, so you knew why I actually went again to the landing page, right? Because there was a preview over here. I don't need all that extra, not necessary information. So I'm going to take it, and that will be the link. And this is baby boys clothing. So this is baby boys. and this is the link. So take this, and this would be the link for this card, and the heading is baby boys, and the description is I'm doing this very quickly, top of my mind, so I'm not sure about the description. I might write better descriptions. I think I'm showing you this video so that you can brainstorm on very good descriptions, all right, and headlines. Headlines are probably fine, but the description needs a bit more work. So, gentleman, bow tie, suits. Maybe cute, gentleman, bow tie suits. For your little one, for example, something like that. All right, so here this is done, I believe. Yep. And now the fourth, same and same again. So this is baby girls clothing. So headline is baby girls. Princess maybe. Romper. We need to be consistent. Romper dress or dresses. Let's take a look at the product page and see. It's here. You have a very good side menu. You can easily, of course, make sure that you get your pricing right before you set up the campaign. Lace dress, for example, right? So this is a lace dress, so we can princess romper lace dress. Obviously it's a dress, so I'm gonna just write romper lace dress. Okay, and over here we need the right link for it. Where was that? Over here. So this is the link. Let's feed it to the URL builder, and this is baby girls. Okay, and copy that and plug it in. And wait, do not hurry up and speed up the process by going next before you make sure it uploads. Otherwise you will face some problems and some bugs. So here. So you can end here, or you can populate the last card. In my case I have 5 cards. In your case you might have more than 5 cards, but this is what I have over here. So we have here the twin set. So here baby sets and twins. I'll just put them like that. Description is maybe equality cotton sets for twins. And now I'm not very satisfied with this because actually it's not sold as a twin as a set. You have to place 2 orders for that. So probably this shouldn't be part of the sets, but I thought that if I put this kind of images and this kind of product in within the sets category, then I might get or incite customers to visit my sets page. So this is why I've done it this way, but I'm aware that this is not the perfect scenario and this shouldn't be going here. I think we should put it here first. Let's feed it to the URL builder, and over here baby sets. Okay, and let's copy that and paste it here. Okay, so now we have all the images ready, I hope. Gotta wait for it to upload. And now we need to write a primary text over here, which is the intro. So the primary text, we really need to brainstorm for that, but for now I'm just gonna say something like Happy New Year 2020. Okay, something like limited offer or limited sale, limited sale or limited sale. Maybe you can just say they said limited offers or limited sale. So then we can just write something like buy now to get 30% off with free shipping. Put that in capitals because this is one of the things that a dropship can promote themselves by, the free shipping. Make sure that on the mobile version that it shows all your text, right? The Happy New Year 2020, limited sale or limited offer. Wonder which one is better, limited sale or limited offer? Maybe offer. Just write limited offer. Buy now to get 30% off with free shipping. Of course, this is consistent with what I have here on my website. Okay. And then do not forget to add visit or explore more items on and the home page. So here's the home page. Okay, so it's gonna say see more on the mobile, but on the desktop I think it's gonna show it like that. But this is why I suggest that you keep add a card at the end with your page profile as picture. This is why I have it at the very end, and it's very neat and clean. Make sure that the picture that you have on your Facebook account over here, that it is that it's cut nicely. You see, I think I'm going to talk a little bit more in class about how to set the size of your Facebook picture. Facebook profile picture is very important that it shows professionality, and because it is going to be used here in your carousel ad. So this is it for the carousel ad, right? Maybe not. We need to set up some audience, right? So we have to customize the audience for our carousel ad. So we do that over here. Oh, did I save changes? Do I need to save changes? Actually, you don't have to. Yeah, unless you publish. If you publish, then yeah. It shouldn't be in draft mode. Anyway, keep it in draft mode for now. This is not an issue. So go to your ad group here, the New Year Sale 2020, and over here make sure that you choose where you want to drive your traffic. Your traffic is to your website, not to the WhatsApp or Messenger or any app. Dynamic creatives, okay. Actually, when you turn this on already, Now the budget and scheduling, for example, today is the 25th. Maybe I would like to start running my campaign on the 27th, for example, and it's from 8 p.m. starting 8 p.m. or starting maybe 5 when the commuting is at its highest. Okay, and then it is run until November 30th, for example, until 8 whatever 56. Okay, I don't think we are. You add limits here is very important. So the minimum, let's put it as $5 for me, and the maximum is 10 for you. You can add different minimums and maximums. Okay, so create audience. We have to create audience. Or do I have any saved audience? I do have some saved audience. So about the audience, I covered this in class, but definitely you can explore this. It is the same as what I covered in class. This is the same exact interface. So when you hit browse, you will have different options, so you can choose from. Okay, and then when you hit edit over here, you can edit the age, and over here you definitely can edit different behaviors, and you can browse different accordingly. Now please take advantage of suggestions and add some of the suggestions that you think that might, you know, not sure if educational toys will be, maybe they will, for in my case. Maybe I'll add infant also. It's very relevant. I don't have any items for baby shower, but I'm not sure if somebody would be interested. I believe ladies bring gifts for baby showers, so maybe I will add baby shower. But I just worry that I might get clicks but no purchases if I add baby shower. So this is the things that you need to test. This is why you have different ad copies. So one ad copy doesn't have baby shower, another ad copy will have a baby shower in its audience, and then you can gauge the performance of different ads. So over here you can see how many people, the size, how many people are on. So you can update. And now I have a saved audience for the future, which is really good. It saves you time and effort. So done. Okay, now we have the audience set up as follows. And I turn this on. Okay, placements is automatic. This is the best. Over here is very important for you to check that for you want to have linky clicks. Okay, and over here is on impressions. You can pay for impressions, but you could also pay per click. So for me, I would like to pay per click, but I can't because on this account it says that I'm still a new owner. So if I'm new to Facebook products, then I can choose this option to pay for ads. So it is locked for me at the time being. So this is really something you really want to consider in the future when you are more experienced and pay for clicks rather than paying for impressions. Impressions meaning view. Of course, for those who took my digital marketing course, they understand better the difference between impressions and clicks. But in any case, this is now set. You can review, always review, so that you make sure that you've done well. Now over here, fix one error, not enough assets. Oh, this happened to me previously. So sometimes it does happen that whenever you set up your carousel ad, then you go back to your campaign or the ad group or ad set, then all your work will be just gone. So this is really a problem. So anyway, maybe this is something that you need to take into consideration. So fix your set up your campaign, and then go to your the copy, the ad copy, and then set up the ad copy. Okay, then once you're done with here with setting up the ad copy, then just hit publish and continue. When you're hitting continue, you're actually gonna pay for the campaign, and your campaign will be showing based on the schedule that you selected, and hopefully you will get clicks and sales, and you'll make some money on that. Okay, so this is a very quick run down on how to create a Facebook ad, a carousel Facebook ad, and I hope it is helpful.